I am at 230 Long Bridge in Rincon, and this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath mobile home. It is not on a permanent foundation. The bottom is skirted. It does have this covered patio or porch off the back. It is on well and septic, so you can see the tank here, and then the drain field is going to be over to the left if you're facing the back corner. So the drain field is there. You do have a unit here that is for one room, so it's like the little package units, and then it does have an outside unit here and a furnace in the inside. So the road is paved, but recently paved. It is near other single-family homes that are actually single-family homes and not a mobile home. This is the family room here. So nice spacious family room. Does have a breakfast bar here right off the kitchen, so it does feature an open floor plan. This is a dining area here. Does have a stove, vent, dishwasher, and refrigerator. Here is the laundry room. We have a furnace here, and then we have right off of the dining area is the owner's suite here. So we have the owner's suite here, and we have the owner's bathroom, one vanity sink, garden tub, shower combination, a walk-in closet here, and the panel is down, and then you have the hot water heater, which is here, and it's right in the same closet with the furnace here. So we are heading to the other side of the house. It is a split floor plan. So you do have a split floor plan here. This is bedroom number 2 here. It's about a 10 by 12 room. Does have a ceiling fan. Small walk-in closet here, which is a nice feature. There is some damage in this wall here. This is all the way soft. We have the bathroom here that's shared in between 2 bedrooms. Vanity here, mirror, toilet, and tub. And then you have your final bedroom, which has this package unit and the remote here that's on the wall. And this is your 3rd bedroom here. And it does have a walk-in, kind of deep closet here. This one doesn't have a ceiling fan. And that is it. That is the tour of this mobile home at 230 Long Bridge in Rincon. It's